Welcome to Kelvin's Kitchen from kelvinskitchen.com. So, I was wondering, what does Bad Bunny likes to eat? I did a quick search on Google and I found it. What is Bad Bunny's favorite meal? According to Google, Bad Bunny has revealed that his favorite meal is arroz con salchichas. This is a super easy recipe, so let's make it! In a large pot over medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Then add 2 cubes of sofrito or 2 tablespoons of sofrito. Saute the sofrito for a couple of minutes until melted. Check out my sofrito recipe in the description box down below. Then add 3 cups of water. As soon as you add the water, increase the fire to medium-high. When the water comes to a boil, add 3 cups of rice. Rinse the rice under cold water first and then add to the pot. We are using jasmine rice, but you could use whatever type of rice you like. Season the rice with 1 packet of sazon, 1 chicken bouillon cube, and half a teaspoon of adobo seasoning. Stir the pot to combine. I like dissolving the chicken bouillon cube so I don't find a clump of chicken bouillon cube later on in the rice. Give that a stir and make sure the chicken bouillon cube has been completely dissolved. Continue cooking over medium-high heat uncovered until all the water has evaporated. And once the water has evaporated, reduce the heat to low, to the lowest setting on your stove. As you can see, all the water is gone, and that's what you want. Now cover with a tight lid and let it cook for about 20 minutes without opening the pot. And after 20 minutes, open the pot and fluff up the rice. Once your rice looks nice and fluffy, cover the pot and continue cooking for another 20 minutes for even cooking. And about 15 minutes into the cooking time, go ahead and fluff the rice once again. Now add 2 5-ounce cans of Vienna sausages. Drain the cans first before adding to the rice. Most people like to cut up their sausages before adding to the rice, however, I like them whole. You may cut the sausages up into 1-inch pieces or leave them as they are, up to you. Incorporate the salchichas into the rice. Salchichas means sausage in Spanish, okay? I grew up eating arroz con salchichas and this is the way my mother always made it and that's the way I like it. Oh, and you do not want to add the Vienna sausages at the beginning once you start cooking the rice. They will shrink and look all wrinkly and not very appetizing looking. That's the reason why we have to add the Vienna sausages at the end once the rice is basically cooked. Visit kelvinskitchen.com to get the written recipe. Then cover and continue cooking for the remaining time so the salchichas get nice and hot, another 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes or so, once the Vienna sausages are nice and hot and the rice is perfectly cooked, add a few green olives and garnish with fresh parsley or cilantro for a pop of color. Then serve and enjoy while still hot. There you guys have it, Bad Bunny's favorite meal, arroz con salchichas. I hope you give this recipe a try, and if you do, please let me know in the comment box down below. Enjoy! Thanks for watching, see you later, bye!
Yeah.